The nature of the roots of quadratic equations. The values of the expression b squared minus 4ac is called discriminant. This is used to characterize the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. But first, the equation should be written in the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 before we can solve it. Characteristic of the roots of the quadratic equations. Ito yung pagpipilian ninyo. Ito yung pagpipilian natin. First, the roots are real, rational, and equal if the discriminant is equals to 0. Then second, the roots are real, rational, and not equal if the discriminant is greater than 0, which means it is a positive number and a perfect square. Then third, the roots are real, irrational, and not equal if the discriminant is greater than 0, means positive number and not a perfect square. Then last, no real roots if the discriminant is less than 0, which means negative number. Okay, say for example, number 1. Characterize the nature of the roots of quadratic equation x minus 4 all raised to the power of 2 is equals to 0. Okay, susulat muna natin. That is, the quantity x minus 4 raised to 2 is equals to 0. Ngayon, gagawin muna natin siya ang standard form of equation. Kung matatandaan ninyo, nung grade 8 ninyo on how to multiply the square of binomial, madali lang sana. Hindi na kayo dadaan sa ganito, yung x minus 4 times x minus 4. Ganito na lang dito. The square of the first term, that is x squared. Then, twice the product of the first term and the last term, that is x times negative 4 is equals to negative 4x times 2 is equals to negative 8x. Then, the square of the last term. Negative 4 times negative 4 is equals to positive 16. Okay, kung ganyan, ganun pa rin ang labas niya. That is x squared. Ito naman ay magiging negative 4x. Tapos ito naman ay negative 4x. Tapos doon naman ay magiging positive 16. Then x squared minus 8x is equals to 16. Pareho lang din sila. Okay, ngayon nasa standard form of equation na. Kaya hahanapin natin muna ang value ng a, b, and c bago natin ma-solve ang discriminant. Then a is equals to 1, it is understood na mayroong 1. Then b is equals to negative 8. Then c is equals to positive 16. Okay. Kapag isolve natin yung discriminant, dapat memorize din ninyo ang formula natin. Discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac. Then, substitute natin. Nandyan ang b, nandyan ang a, at saka nandyan ang c. Then, b is equals to negative 8 squared minus 4. Then yung a natin ay 1. Then yung c naman natin ay 16. Okay, ito. Then simplify natin. Negative 8 times negative 8 is equals to positive 64. Huwag i-times doon. Again, huwag i-times doon. Nang igagawin ninyo, negative 8 times 2. Hindi. Negative 8 times negative 8. Then, ito, tatlo ang number. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo yung number na i-times natin. Alamin muna natin yung mga sign nila. Isa lang yung negative. Then, dalawang positive. Therefore, magiging negative. Then, forget the sign. I-times na natin yung number. 4 times 1 equals 4. Then, 4 times 16 is equals to 64. Then, discriminant is equals to 0. Okay. Kapag ang 0 yung discriminant niya, anong kanyang magiging nature? Yan yung, the nature is real, rational, and equal. Okay, ito na ang kanyang nature. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation x minus 4 all raised to 2 is equals to 0 is real, rational, and equal. Okay, number 2. Characterize the nature of the roots of quadratic equation 4x squared is equals to 9. Then, isulat natin 4x squared is equals to 9. Wala siya sa standard form of equation. Kaya iset natin siya sa standard form of equation. That is 4x squared. Kapag ilipat natin dito, magiging negative 9 is equals to 0. Ngayon, i-identify natin ng A. A is equals to 4. Then, B is equals to, wala tayong B dito. Wala yung X na walang exponent. Kaya magiging 0. Then, C is equals to negative 9. Okay, again, discriminant is equals to B squared minus 4AC. Then, yung B natin is 0 squared minus 4 times 4, then times negative 9. Then, ito ay mawala na yan. Then, tatlong number yung ita-times natin, again, mayroong dalawang negative, therefore, magiging positive na yan. Kahit hindi natin isulat yung positive dito, it is understood na positive na yung lalabas. Then, 4 times 4 equals 16. Then, times 9 equals 144. 144. Okay. Makikita ninyo yung discriminant natin is greater than 0, which is positive 144. I-check natin, it is a perfect square or not. Yes, it is a perfect square dahil 12 times 12 is equals to 144. 12 times 12 equals 144. Since it was perfect square, ibig sabihin, ang kanyang roots or the nature of the roots is real, rational, and not equal. Okay, number 3 example. Determine the nature of the roots of quadratic equation when A is equals to negative 2, B is equals to negative 4, and C is equals to 3. Okay, wala na yung equation. Given na ang ating A, B, and C. Kaya A is equals to negative 2, then B is equals to negative 4, and C is equals to 3. Again, yung ano natin, yung discriminant natin is equals to B squared minus 4AC. Then, substitute na natin dito sa mga values ng ating A, B, and C. Then, B is equals to negative 4 squared minus 4. Then, open sa close parenthesis, negative 2. Then, yung C naman natin is 3. Then, negative 4 times negative 4 is equals to positive 16. Okay, ito naman, mayroong dalawang negative, therefore magiging positive. Then, i-times natin yung mga number, wala nang problema doon sa sign. Then, 4 times 2 equals 8 times 3 is equals to 24. And kapag i-plus natin, is equals to 40. Then, D is equals to 40. Okay. Makikita ninyo, yung discriminant natin is greater than 0. Pero perfect square ba ito? Ang 40? Hindi. Dahil walang number na kapag i-times mo sa kanyang sarili, ang sagot ay 40. Therefore, ang nature of the roots of this quadratic equation is real, irrational, and not equal. Okay, ito na ang kanyang nature, the nature of the roots of that equation. Okay, example number 4. Determine the value of k in the quadratic equation a x squared plus kx plus 2 is equal to 0 if the discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, identify natin yung a, or susulat muna natin yung equation, that is 8x squared plus kx plus 2 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 8, c is equal to 2, then b is equal to k, which is equal to, hindi natin alam. Then discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, yung discriminant natin is b squared minus 4ac. Yan yung ating discriminant, which is equal to 0. 0 daw ang ating discriminant. Then, i-substitute natin yung value ng ating mga variables dito sa given. Then, b squared, that is equals to k squared minus 4. Then, yung a natin ay 8. Then, yung c is 2, which is equals to 0. Then, k squared, makikita ninyo ito, tatlong ita-times natin, iisa lang ang negative, therefore magiging negative. Then, i-times na natin ang mga number. 4 times 8 is equals to 32, times 2 is equals to 64, which is equals to 0. Then, ilipat natin from left side of the equation to the right side of the equation. Yung negative na sign magiging positive. Then k squared is equals to 64. Okay, by extracting square root, kung matatandaan ninyo, kapag ipasok natin yan sa radical sign, matatanggal na yung kanyang radical sign. Lalabas na lang yung k. Then ito magiging plus or minus. What is the square root of 64? That is 8. Ibig sabihin, yung b natin is equals to positive 8 or negative 8. Okay, yan na ang ating answer. Okay, number 5. Determine the nature of the roots of quadratic equation x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Again, isulat natin x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Then next, i-identify natin yung a, that is 1, then b, which is 2, and c is 5. Then discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac. Since ang tanong is determine the nature of the roots, therefore ito yung magamit natin na formula. Then i-substitute natin b squared, yung b natin is 2 squared minus 4, yung a natin is 1, and c is equals to 5. Then 2 squared is equals to 2 times 2, that is 4. Then ito naman, isa yung negative, therefore mag-minus. Then 4 times 1 equals 4 times 5 equals 20. Then 4 minus 20, mas malaki yung ibabawas natin kaysa sa babawasan natin. Therefore, magiging negative. Baliktarin na natin yung pag-minus. 20 minus 4 equals 16. Therefore, ito ang kanyang discriminant. Since ang discriminant natin is negative or less than 0, the nature of the roots of quadratic equation is no real roots. Okay, ganyan yung mangyayari kapag mag-negative ang ating discriminant. Okay, that's all for today. Good luck.